Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna go over the 141 question linked list cycle. So given a linked list, determine if it has a cycle in it. To represent a cycle in a given linked list, we use an integer pos, which represent the position in the linked list where the tail connects to. So if pos is -1, then there is no cycle in the linked list. So for example, if our linked list is 3, 2, 0, -4, and the tail pointing to position 1, and you can see there is a cycle here. So your output should be true. If your given linked list is 1, 2, and the tail points to position 0, there's still a linked list. And if your given linked list is just 1 and the position is -1, there's no cycle in the linked list, because you can see that if position is -1, there's no cycle in the linked list. And in the note here, you can see that can you solve it using O of 1 memory? So constant memory. Basically, we cannot create another thing to have a memory. So we basically can only use our given linked list. Well, to solve this problem, the algorithm for the solution is using what's known as the slow pointer, and faster pointer. So basically what it means is that, well, if there is a linked list and if there's cycle in it, and if there is a slow pointer which moves one step at a time, and if there's a faster pointer which moves 2 steps at a time, if there is a cycle, they will eventually meet. If there is not a cycle, then the faster pointer will reach to the end first. I hope that makes sense. Well, this algorithm is kind of like can be proved by induction. If you are still not very sure why, like, the faster pointer moves 2 steps at a time and the slow pointer moves 1 step at a time, and eventually they will meet, and then it's a cycle, then definitely check out more maybe videos about that algorithm. But that's just how it is, and so I'm just gonna code it up. Okay, let me see. So there is a slow pointer and there is a fast pointer. So, well, the fast pointer is not equal to null, which is not reached to the end, and fast pointer the next is not till the end. Then remember, fast pointer moves 2 steps at a time. And the slow pointer moves 1 step at a time. So, and we will check if after moving, if our slow pointer is the same as our fast pointer. If it is, then return true, because there is a cycle. If not, we will just return false. So if there is no cycle, the faster